The AI Standup for June 1st, 2026. NVIDIA is moving beyond the chip. We're talking about a full stack offensive to build and operate the world's AI infrastructure. Today, we're breaking down three critical developments: the launch of a dedicated operating system for AI factories, a new open model that gives robots physical world understanding, and the massive supply chain mobilization that signals a global AI capital expenditure cycle is in full swing. Let's get into it. The single biggest challenge in AI today is the insatiable demand for compute. It's not just about training bigger models anymore. It's about the constant, high volume token generation required by enterprises and entire nations building out their sovereign AI capabilities. To address this, NVIDIA is executing a two-pronged strategy. First, they are massively expanding their global AI cloud ecosystem, providing the purpose built infrastructure needed for this new class of workloads. But hardware is only half the story. How do you operate these sprawling, city sized compute clusters? That's where the second, and arguably more important, announcement comes in: DSXOS. DSXOS is a new modular software platform designed from the ground up to be the operating system for AI factories. Think of it as the control plane for orchestrating everything, from the bare metal up to the networking and storage, all optimized for AI. It's designed to be open and modular, allowing operators to manage these hyperscale environments efficiently. To make this tangible for the industrial sector, NVIDIA also released the Factory Operations Blueprint, or FOX. This is a reference architecture that shows how to build an autonomous factory manager. It integrates live machine signals, sensor data, and operational alerts into a single, unified decision making layer. This isn't just about monitoring, it's about creating a plant wide intelligence that can proactively optimize and manage operations. This is the software layer that turns a data center into a true AI factory. For years, AI has excelled in the digital realm, but bridging the gap to the physical world, enabling robots and autonomous systems to truly understand and interact with their environment, has been a monumental challenge. NVIDIA and Hugging Face are tackling this head on with the release of Cosmos 3. This is not just another vision model. Cosmos 3 is an open omni-model specifically designed for physical AI reasoning. The term omni-model is key here. It means it's built to integrate multiple modalities like vision, language, and spatial awareness to form a coherent world model. This allows a system to reason about object properties, spatial relationships, and the consequences of potential actions. By open sourcing the model and providing technical resources, NVIDIA is empowering the community to build their own physical AI reasoning, world, and action models. The goal is to accelerate the development of everything from warehouse robots that can handle novel items to autonomous systems that can navigate complex, unstructured environments. This is a foundational piece of the puzzle for creating truly intelligent machines that can operate safely and effectively alongside humans in the real world. The dominant paradigm for AI has been the cloud. You send a query, a massive data center processes it, and you get a response. But NVIDIA is making a significant push to enable a powerful new class of applications with on device AI agents. They are rolling out frameworks and support for developers to build autonomous agents that run locally on everything from consumer grade RTX PCs to enterprise DGX systems. This is a fundamental shift. An on device agent can perform complex, multi step tasks without ever sending your data to the cloud. Imagine an agent on your RTX powered laptop that can read your latest project emails, summarize the action items, cross reference them with your local notes, and draft a detailed project update. All of this happens on your machine. The primary benefit is privacy. For both individuals and enterprises, keeping sensitive data local is a massive advantage. But it also enables low latency, always on capabilities that aren't practical with a cloud round trip. By providing the tools for both RTX and DGX, NVIDIA is creating a scalable ecosystem for agentic AI, from personal productivity assistance to powerful autonomous workflows running inside a corporate data center. These ambitious plans for global AI factories and physical AI require a manufacturing base of unprecedented scale and sophistication. And that's exactly what's happening right now. NVIDIA has confirmed its Taiwanese manufacturing partners are massively scaling up production to support the global deployment of its next generation Vera Rubin infrastructure. We're not talking about a small ramp up. This initiative involves more than 500 partners across 25 factory sites, all focused on producing components for NVIDIA's MGX modular server designs. This is the tangible, physical evidence of a major global capital expenditure cycle in AI. The components being built today will power the AI factories of tomorrow. This coordinated supply chain effort is critical for meeting the explosive demand from cloud providers, enterprises, and sovereign AI projects. It signals that the industry is making a long-term, multi-billion-dollar bet on this next wave of accelerated computing infrastructure. It's one thing to hear about demand, it's another to see the entire supply chain retooling to meet it. All right, a few more quick updates for your radar. To secure these new AI factories, NVIDIA is hardening the infrastructure from the ground up. New in-silicon security features are being rolled out via the DOCA platform, designed to protect the entire data to intelligence pipeline for agentic AI operating at scale. And for the autonomous vehicle space, NVIDIA has launched the Alpamayo framework. This is a new tool designed to help engineers post-train AV models in a closed-loop environment, bridging the critical gap between training and simulation and deploying safely in the real world. So, what are the key takeaways from all this? For engineers and developers, the message is clear. New tools are here. First, if you're working on physical AI, the Cosmos 3 architecture is your new starting point for building sophisticated world and action models for robotics. Second, for those building at scale, DSX OS is the emerging operating system for AI factories, and the Fox Blueprint provides a concrete reference for industrial automation. Finally, you can now build and deploy powerful, privacy-preserving AI agents that run locally on both consumer and enterprise hardware. From a financial and market perspective, the signals are just as strong. The aggressive expansion of NVIDIA's cloud ecosystem and the ramp up for the Vera Rubin infrastructure confirms that we are in a massive, sustained capital expenditure cycle for AI. This isn't a short-term trend. We're also seeing the maturation of the market, with investment focused on a complete software and hardware stack designed specifically for the token generation economy. The introduction of DSX OS signals the creation of a new, high-value software category focused purely on orchestrating AI factories. That's our breakdown for today. The key things to watch are the commercial adoption of physical AI now that foundational models like Cosmos 3 are available, and the emerging competitive landscape for AI factory operating systems. Thanks for watching. If you're an engineer, developer, or investor in this space, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our daily briefings. We'll see you tomorrow.